Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Tart Tycoon from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. First of all, I'm gonna draw the frame of his glasses with a diagonal curve line across. Semicircle turn at that corner on both sides. Turn it downwards at the side. Semicircle turn at this lower point on both sides and a curved line across. Inside of the glasses, I'm gonna draw a circular line at the right corner, semicircle turn above at both corners, and diagonal curved line across in between the points. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. On top of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across diagonally like that, and I'm gonna thicken that up. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right here. Now in between the frame, I'm gonna draw across a line. And I'm gonna thicken the frames right there. Now for his mouth, in the middle point below the glasses, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line downwards and thicken that up slightly as well. Now for his face shape, at this upper point in the middle, I'm gonna draw a circular line to the left and turn it downwards at the side. Diagonal turn inwards at this lower point towards the color of his shirt, and going back to the top of his head, I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side as well. Going back to the top of his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and another one on the left side right there. And at the tip above, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. And for the leaf at the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, sharp turn back in at this lower point. And on the right side, from this lower point, curved line out, turn it downwards at this outer corner, a curved line across at this point, and a curved line across at the top of the curved line. Now for the color of his shirt, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across the bottom of his face right there. Turn it diagonally downwards, sideways to the left, and at the corner of his neck on the left, I'm gonna draw a circular line downwards. Turn it to the right with the curved line diagonally inwards, and turn it downwards at this inner corner right there. And going back to the point at the side of his collar, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line outwards all the way to his shoulder, semicircle turn downwards at the side of the shoulder, and extend it all the way downwards to the elbow point. Semicircle turn inwards at the elbow point right there, to the right, slightly diagonal, semicircle turn upwards, diagonal line back out towards the elbow point right there, curved line above that, and another line upwards all the way to the side of his shoulder, and a circle line around the side of his shoulder right there. Now at the sleeve here, I'm gonna draw another line out, and at the bottom point as well, and a curved line across. For his hand, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line outwards and up, semicircle turn back inwards. And for the other fingers, I'm gonna take this point at the side of the thumb and draw another diagonal line out, semicircle turn back inwards, sharp turn back out, and repeat the same shape of the fingers at this lower point right there. And at the side here, a curved line back to the wrist line. Now at the side of each fingers, I'm gonna draw a curved line similar to the thumb and fingers on the right side right there. And at this bottom point, a curved line across to the side of the palm on the left. And going back to the collar of his shirt, I'm gonna draw a line down from the collar all the way to his wrist right there. And going back to the top point again, a curved line upwards, turn it slightly out at the upper point, and below that point I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn back down, and sharp turn back up at the inner corner. A line up at this outer corner, and below that collar I'm gonna draw a line down at this point to the hand, and another similar line at this inner point. Along the middle point of the shirt, I'm gonna draw some black circles for his buttons, and another one right there. Now for the collar of his suit, I'm gonna take this point on the left side of his shoulder and draw a diagonal line inwards, a triangular niche at that corner. Continue the line inwards and down to that corner. Below the hand, I'm gonna continue the line of the suit in the middle downwards, semicircle turn at that corner to the left, and semicircle turn back up at that outer corner all the way to the side of his elbow. In that space, I'm gonna draw a pocket with a line across at that point, line down on both sides, and a curved line across at this lower point. Line across inside of that at this upper section. For the other side on the right, curved line downwards as well, turn it out at this bottom point, semicircle turn sideways to the right, and turn it back upwards. At this point, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and continue the line of the suit upwards. Below the right hand, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right here for the sleeve, and another one at that corner to the hand. In the middle point of the suit right here, I'm gonna draw his belt with a line across, another one below that, a line down on the right side, and another one beside it, a curved line inwards to the left, turn it down, and a rectangular shape at that corner. Mirror the same shape at this lower point. Continue the middle line of the inner shirt all the way to the buckle right there, and a button at that corner. Now below the suit, I'm gonna draw his pants at this left corner, curved line downwards. Around the knee point, I'm gonna draw a circular line across downwards, curved line downwards, flare it slightly out, turn it back inwards, and flare it out again at the ankle point, and turn it back downwards. a line across at this lower point. And for the inner line of the pants, I'm gonna draw a curved line across in this middle point, a line down on the left side, flare it out at the knee point, back in, and continue the line of the pants downwards, flare it out below the ankle point and downwards. Now for the shoe, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the right, turn it outwards at this lower point and downwards, semicircle turn to the left, diagonal line upwards, and semicircle line to the side, sideways and upwards. Along the front part of the shoe, I'm going to draw some knots with a curved line across and another one below that. On both ending points at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line. Copy that same set of shape at this lower point and another one below that. In between those knots, I'm going to draw a line at the side here all the way down, turn it outwards at this side right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side right there. And I'm going to trace the same line at the base here at this upper point all the way to the right side. Now for the left side of the pants, we're gonna draw a similar shape right there, flare it out at the ankle, turn it out, and for the inner line right there, and for the shoe, diagonal line to the front, turn it to the front, semicircle turn downwards, and for the heels, a line downwards, sideways to the front, upwards, and back to the front, all the way to the front tip of the shoe. A line, a curved line across at this upper point all the way from the back to the front tip of the shoe right there. I'm gonna draw the similar knots at this right corner and the line coming down at the sides. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.